suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings. The way she suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, fuck you.
Hello everyone, my name is Patrice May Aidia from BSHM2D and I am here to show you the different ways of cooking eggs. The first thing we need to do is to mise en place. Mise en place means to prepare all the things, equipments, and ingredients in place. So I have here the utensils, plates, and bowls. For the ingredients, I have here the eggs, salt and pepper, cheese, vinegar, and butter. There are two ways of cracking eggs. First is to crack it at the edge of the bowl. The second one is to crack it at the flat surface. To prevent sticking of food or eggs, we need to use a non-stick pan. How to cook sunny side up? First is to turn on the heat. Then, put the butter into the non-stick pan over low heat. When you melt the butter completely, slowly add the egg to the pan. Cover it with a tight lid and cook until the whites are completely set but the yolks are still runny. Slide the egg out of the pan onto a plate and season it with salt and pepper. This is our finished product, the sunny side up egg. The next one is the over easy. It is also like a sunny side up egg, but over easy egg cook on both sides for a very short amount of time until the egg whites are just about to set and the yolk is still runny. You can season it with salt and pepper for the finished product. So this is how to cook over easy eggs. The third one is the scrambled egg. I will going to do an American style scrambled egg. I will going to use 2 to 3 eggs in cooking scrambled eggs. We need to whisk it in a small bowl before seasoning it with salt and pepper. Melt the butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Reduce the heat to medium to low, then pour the egg mixture. When the eggs begin to set, use a spatula and gently move the eggs across the bottom and side of the pan to form large and soft curds. We need to remember to cook the scrambled eggs until it thickened and no visible liquid remains but the eggs are not dry. It must be look creamy and fluffy. You can also add milk to make your scrambled eggs creamier. So this is our American style scrambled eggs. Next is the omelette. I use 4 eggs for my omelette. I will be going to do a American style omelette. After cracking the eggs, season it with salt and pepper and then beat it. Melt the butter to the non-stick pan over medium heat. It helps us to avoid too brown or overcooked eggs. Then, add the eggs and let it sit for a minute. Remember to use a heat-proof spatula to gently lift the cooked eggs and tilt the pan to allow the uncooked eggs to float to the edge of the pan. Next, you can add cheese for the filling or any available vegetables in your kitchen. Cook it for few seconds and fold the omelette in half. And then, flip it to the other side to cook it evenly. Lastly, slide it onto the plate and you can also garnish it if you want. So this is the American style omelette. Poached egg. When poaching an egg, we need to use fresh egg. Remember, fresh eggs sink at the bottom of the water. First step is to simmer a water and add salt and vinegar. Then make a vortex to the water by mixing it. It will help your poached egg to form a beautiful shape. Gently lift the egg to the water and cook the egg in a low heat in just 4 minutes. Carefully scoop the egg out of the pan and you can pat it to a tissue to drain it. But I don't have any tissue, so I make sure that I drain it properly. Lastly, transfer it to the serving plates and season it with salt and pepper. This is what you call the poached egg. Next is the soft and hard-boiled eggs. First, we need to boil a water into a saucepan. I will use 2 eggs and I mark them with 4 minutes for soft-boiled egg and 8 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. Cook first the egg with the mark of 4 minutes and after a few minutes you can cook the 8 minutes egg out of the pan and immediately place it in a bowl of cold water. Cold water helps us to remove the shells easier. Lastly, slice the eggs in half lengthwise and sprinkle it with salt and pepper and then serve. First one is the soft-boiled egg and the other one is the hard-boiled egg.